بسم الله والحمد لله والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي ربنا زدنا علما اللهم اجعل القرآن ربيع قلوبنا ونور صدورنا اللهم آمين. So we are going to start our today's session. Yesterday we have finished this about the Jumla Ismiya and how to make Jumla Ismiya negative. Before starting a new topic, just let us recap that just for revision purpose. So I would ask Brother Tamur if he can help us to revise the complete topic, how to make Jumla Ismiya negative, please.
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam.
So there are a few ways to make a negative sentence from Jumla Ismiya. First is to add ma before mubtada and khabar becomes mansub. This is a weak form of negation. So example would be ma Zaidun salihan. Zaid uh, is not so, so uh,
Righteous.
yes, pious, not
Oh,
righteous
sorry.
or pious. A similar form is the use of laysa and its derivatives. If laysa comes before mubtada and khabar becomes mansub, then it becomes a negative jumla ismiya sentence. Example is laysa zaidun salihan. Zaid is not pious. Next form is a stronger form. It has a pattern of ma plus b or laysa plus b. In that case, ma becomes in front of mubtada, and khabar becomes majrur because of b. So the combination would be ma zaidun bi salihin. Zaidun not at all pious, is not at all pious. Or laysa zaidun bi salihin. Is similar translation. Zaid is not a pious at all. Next is a combination of ma plus illa. It translates as not but. Example would be ma Muhammadun illa Rasul. Muhammad is not but a messenger. In our construction is in plus illa, translated as not but. In hada illa sikhrun mubin. This is not but as obvious magic or clear magic. And the last is the strongest form. It's called la nafiya al-jins. It's a construction of using la followed by ismul nakira, which is mansub and like. For example, la sharika lah. There is absolutely no partner for him. The translation would be absolutely not.
Thank you very much. Jazakallah khairan. So this is all about that. We already did that. There are ma and Laysa. They are just not, but they make the khabar mansub. Second is ma plus b and Laysa plus b. Strongest combination, not at all. And then whenever this combination comes ma plus illa, in plus illa, then ma and in means not, but illa mean but. Okay, and last, and that is very important, that is la nafiyatul. There is one la that we just use, la mean not, but when the it affects the noun, how it affects the noun? Number one, that noun, it will make that noun as mansub, and that noun will be isme nakra, not, it will not affect on marifa. Isme nakra, mansub, and it will be light, like raiba, all three things. It is nakira, it is mansub, and it is light. then such la is called la nafiyatul jins. Nafila nafiyatul jins, and its meaning will be not the no doubt. No, it is there is that book. There is absolutely no doubt in it. So this is strongest negation. So this is all we already covered yesterday. Today we are going to start a new topic, and that is similar to that, but it is about how to make sentence interrogative. Uh, there are simple, again, some guidelines that we have to follow. We are using it. The important thing for all these things we are covering nowadays in the first session, it has the application directly in Quran. While we do that, we already use those rules, just revising that as a topic. And or sometime whenever we have come across any ayah, any verse, so we will use it there as well. So we know that these rules, but just to make them a topic, and there are some rules, and as a reminder, they come, we bring it in a list, in the form of list. So today we'll just learn that how the sentence, make sure that we are doing the sentence. The first part is fragment. That is one part. The second thing is, for fragments, we did five or four. And then we have sentences, and we have started with jumla ismiya, jumla felia, and then how to make them negative. And today we are going to study that how to make the sentence interrogative. There are two basically important points. Number one, we have to put a particle, that harf, at the beginning of sentence. And what type of that harf? That harf is called harful istifham. Harful istifham particle. That harf, what type of that harf will be? Hal or a. When it comes in the beginning of the sentence, that sentence will become interrogative. Okay. And there are two ways. One is whenever we ask, when there is some sentence and we ask somebody a question, if something we want to know, that if we need some explanation just in the form of yes or no, then there are two particles are used. One is a, question mark, and second is hal. So the answer will always be na'am or la. Na'am or la. Na'am mean yes, la not. So these are the first thing is that we have to, how to make the sentence interrogative, that we have to add harful istifham particle. What are those particles? There are hal or a. When we just need the answer in the form of yes or no, simple answer, and they are a or hal. Like here we have haza qalamun. This is the complete sentence is this is pen. But if I want to make it interrogative, so I will put ah, haza qalamun, or hal haza qalamun. Is it a pen? Is it a pen? So it will, so answer will be na'am or la, in the form of yes or no. Simple short answer. Then there will come a or hal. The important thing when we use it in Quran, so there will be a comes, so it is just a question mark, or hal question mark. It's mean the complete sentence is istifhamiya sentence, that will be. It is asking question. Second is that there are some ismul istifham. There is a list of ismul istifham. There are noun for interrogative. We have to add ismul istifham in at the start of sentence. And when the answer should not be yes, there should be we are expecting complete sentence answer, like ma ismuka, what's your name? So we have to answer it in complete with complete name. That ismi Akhtar. My name is Akhtar. Man rabbuka. Who is your Lord? So answer. We are not expecting yes or no. We have to Rabb Allahu Rabbi. Man rabbuka. Ma haza. What is this? Haza qalamun. Again, to repeat this, number one, we can just add particle, two harf, that is hal or a. That will make it interrogative, but the answer will be yes, question mark. If we need the complete answer, then there are ismul istifham. There are interrogative noun. We will see that how many, like ma, man, ha, ma, am. We will see in the next part. So these are the two important points, that either we can add ismul istifham or harful istifham. Harf are particle, hal or a. And what about the ismul istifham? They are ismul istifham, one noun, and asmaul istifham, uh, interrogative nouns. Like number one and two, like mata. Mata mean when, or ayyana, when. Aina, where. Mata hazal wa'du, when is this promise? When will be this promise? Aina shurakai, where are my partners? So when and where. Aina, mata, when. Others are like ma, maza. Ma or maza, when comes, it meaning will be what? Like ma launuha, what is its color? Maza yunfikun, what they have, what they spend. Similarly, come will come. Come means how many, how long. Qala kam labista. He said, how long you lived. Kam kitaban indaka. How many books you have. So kam means how many, or it can be used for how long. So these are just the important thing is the vocabulary, that actually they are used to make the sentence interrogative. Either they will be harf, hal, or a. And if they are asmaul istifham, it can be mata, ayyana, aina, kam, ma, maza. Some more are like lima. Lima taquluna ma la taf'alun. Lima mean why. Lima mean why. Sister Rihanna, can you please translate this?
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam. Lima taquluna ma la taf'alun.
Lima taquluna ma tafalun. Why you say things which you do not do it?
You don't do that. So can you please read again this?
Lam taquluna ma
Lima,
la
lima.
lima taquluna ma la tafalun.
Okay, so lima means
Why?
why. Thank you. So similarly, we use amma, and we studied it that amma is basically, to remember it, that it is combination of an plus ma, but amma means about what. So whenever this comes amma, amma mean what? Amma yatasaalun, about what they ask. About what they ask. So amma mean about what. So again, this is all the vocabulary. We know that it is all about the asking question, but what are the vocabulary used? There are asmaul istifham. Asmaul istifham are mata, aina, where. Ma or maza, what. Come, how many, how long. Lima, lima mean why. Amma, about what. Similarly, we have kaifa, how. Kaifa haluka, how are you. Kaifa anta, kaifa ant, how are you. And we have ayyu, ayyan, ayyin, mean which. Ayyuhum yakfulu Maryama, who is taking care of Maryam. Who is taking care of Maryam. Man or manza, man mean who. Man mean who. Brother Ahmad, can you please translate this sentence?
Yes, alaikum.
Walaikum salam.
Man zallazi yashfa'u indahu. Manza means who. Allazi, the one who. Yashfa'u intercedes. He
He
intercedes.
intercedes.
He intercedes in the who with him.
Okay.
Who is the one who intercedes in his presence? I would
Yeah,
say.
near him or with him or in his presence. Yeah, manzalla. So actual thing we are here learning manza, but we know that this is part of Ayatul Kursi. So just for revision purpose, thank you, brother Ahmed. So manza means who. Similarly, there is liman, whose. Limanil mulkul yawm. Whose kingdom is today? So similarly, here we have some, there is one more, that is anna, from where? From where? How? So again, it is all ismaul istifham. At least we should know the meaning. Again, hal or a, they are just simple harful istifham. And the second is we use ismul istifham. If question is how to make sentence interrogative, so the answer will be that we use either harful istifham. What are harful istifham? Hal or a. Or we can use asmaul istifham. Can you please give me some asmaul istifham? Yes. Mata, when, aina, where, amma, about what, kaifa, how, lima, why, man, who, manza, who. Let's take some example. These are used in Quran so that we can see that how they are used. Uncle Hamid.
जी अस्सलाम वालेकुम।
Wa alaikum assalam. Can you please take the second ayah?
इन्नका
It is not in. Can you please look before that? There is something before innaka.
आ
Yes. So now read it. First read completely ayah.
आप इन्नका ला अंत यूसुफ।
Yusuf. We know that the meaning, but here what is there harful istifham or ismul istifham here?
या yes it's a
It's a
harf istifham.
harf istifham. So it makes so. Can you please just translate it, the complete
Yeah.
sentence?
Is indeed you
La, for
are
sure.
you
Anta you,
Yusuf?
Yusuf.
Are you Yusuf? Yeah.
Are you indeed a Yusuf? Are you
Are
indeed
you indeed
Yusuf?
Yusuf? Yes.
Yeah. Are you indeed Yusuf? Ka and anta means it is all about surety. The important thing here is
Yeah.
is making it interrogative. Ant la anta Yusuf. For sure you are Yusuf. Innaka la anta Yusuf. Indeed you, for sure you are Yusuf.
Are you Yusuf?
Now it is a question. Now it is making it interrogative. Are you?
Yeah. His brother asked him.
Indeed are you? So is used here. Okay. Brother Hamid Naeem.
Assalamu
Walaikum salam. Can you please take third one?
Mata Nasrullahi. Mata. Ma is question
It is
mark.
not ma. It is mata.
No.
When
Mata
we
when.
used here the first one.
Yeah,
First.
Mata when Nasrullahi. Nasr help. Allah from Allah. When help of Allah.
When is or when will be help.
When the help of Allah.
So important thing is mata is ismul istifham. When. Thank you. Similarly, there is one here. If I ask here somebody to. Daniel, can you please take the next ayah?
Okay. قالت رب أنى يكون لي ولد.
Okay. What is ismul istifham here? Can you please? Anna. What is the meaning?
From where or how?
How. Here it was used how. Can you please do the combined translation?
Okay. She said, my Lord.
Oh my Lord.
Oh my Lord. How he will for me a boy?
How I will have a child.
How
is for me a child. How a child is for me.
How a child is for me.
Yeah, how. Anna mean how. Okay, next, can you please take the next one as well?
Okay. يا مريم أنى لك هذا. Anna is
Yeah, it is meaning how, and also here it is used as from where. Combined translation.
Oh Maryam, how is this for you? Or from
Yeah,
where,
or from where is this for you?
from where is this from you?
Yeah, it is according to the context. And the next is Wama tilka biyaminika ya Musa. Let me ask somebody here from here. I can see Brother Iqbal Shahid after a long time, if he can help me.
Islam.
Wa alaikum assalam. Jazakallah khairan. Can you please take this ayah?
وَمَا تِلْكَ بِيَمِينِكَ يَا Musa. So wa and ma what? So this is the question mark questioning ismul istifham. Tilka that be with yaminika your hand ya Musa o Musa.
Yaminika. Just
Yamin
more
your right hand.
your right hand. Yeah.
Uh, and
Right.
what is that with your hand o Musa?
What
In
is
your
it?
hand. I mean, if you do proper English. Yeah.
Okay. Wama tilka biyaminika ya Musa. And what is in your right hand, O Musa? Thank you very much. So we have to go for second session. This is all about, again, it is vocabulary. So again, we have the Asmaul Istifham, complete list of Asmaul Istifham and harful two particles, hal and a, and all this, just we should know the meaning. Okay.